Okay, Dandy is nowhere to be found. Shh.
Will be fed through a software that will allow researchers to analyze one syllable at a time.
Let's play. Let's play.
And why are the LSU Tigers being overlooked in the chase for the SEC title? Mark Kincaid is next.
Mick in the box. Mick in the box. Ralph on the dresser. Great big paws. Dandy loves the toy. Let's play. Come on. Oh, That's all the news is full of is wah stories. It's never full of good news. I would love for my channel to be full of funny and positive news. Okay. The grab is asleep underneath the blankets there. You can see his pink paw pads and his little orange-ish fur. I wonder how he would respond. I read you. At the ruffle of the bag, I got all the cats at my feet except for the grab. Teddy, I know. And why is that? Dum 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 dum. Catnip. It's time for the cats to get stoned. Voila! Oh, they haven't had a catnip high in so long. And Mims doesn't want to get involved. Teddy's getting a wang from it already. And Ralph is holding the catnip hostage from the other three. Well, come on, Ralph. Big Bird says, let's share. Come on, Ralph. Ralph doesn't want to share.